Welcome back to our section 2 of this tutorial, JavaScript module. So here in the first video, we talked about this application dynamic CV generator, and here are the scripts that make it possible. They did the magic for us, but we realized that this script is a bit long and daunting, so we decided to do something about it. So the first idea is just to abstract this out and put them in a file. So because of that, I created step 2. So this is how my new HTML file looks like. No more scripts, so this is more fancy and very beautiful, but the scripts are here right now. I called it cv.js. So in here we have the exact thing we had in the first video. Everything is here, but to me, I think the more we beautify the app, the more we grow the application, this file is going to keep growing and growing and growing. So the best part is to put them into modules. That's where JavaScript modules come in. Though with this, it still works. Have a look at this. It still works perfectly. So, but to me, to make this more scalable and make the application to grow in time and to be more maintainable, we need to make use of JavaScript modules. So in the next section, I'm going to start breaking things down. We are going to start we're going to abstract all this into their own files and see how JavaScript modules will make this easy for us.